This is Motorola Moto G23, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can create the calendar event on this phone. So to begin with, you will need to launch the Google Calendar app. Onwards, go for the date that you wanted to link some event to, perhaps. So I'll myself pick the 20th of February. Then to your bottom right, tap at the plus sign, choose event, and at the event management page you can add some title. So I'll go with, I don't know, regular party. Then choose if you would like for this event to occur the entire day, or perhaps set some time frames for it. You can also change the time zone, add other meeting or event participant, add a link to the video conferencing, to some video conference or conference call, whatever, in Zoom, Teams, Google, how this app is called, Google Meet, or whatever is the app that you will use, if you will use it to begin with. Add some location, decide if you would like to be notified, and if yes, when exactly. Set some color for this event to stand out from your calendar. You can also optionally add a description or some attachment perhaps. And once you're ready to save it, just tap at the respective save button to your top right. And here you have it, as you can see. So Monday, 20th of February. And if I'll change the grid, the scale, I'll have it right here as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.